Let's learn alphabets. A. A for astronaut.
A for astronaut.
B. B for baker.
B for baker.
C. C for construction worker.
C for construction worker.
D. D for diver.
D for diver.
E for engineer.
E for engineer.
F for farmer.
F for farmer.
G for gymnast.
G for gymnast.
H for hairdresser.
H for hairdresser.
I for ice cream man.
I for ice cream man.
J for judge.
J for judge.
K for karate instructor.
K for karate instructor.
L for lifeguard.
L for lifeguard.
M for musician.
M for musician.
N for nurse.
N for nurse.
O for ophthalmologist.
O for Ophthalmologist.
P for pilot.
P for pilot.
Q for quilter.
Q for quilter.
R for reporter.
R for reporter.
S for soldier.
S for soldier.
T for tailor.
T for tailor.
U for umpire.
U for umpire.
V for veterinarian.
V for veterinarian.
W for waiter.
W for waiter.
X for X-ray technician.
X for X-ray technician.
Y for yoga teacher.
Y for yoga teacher.
Z for zookeeper.
Z for zookeeper.